Hi guys, and welcome to the 26th video in this video diary series where I share my first startup journey. So yesterday, I had a very extensive meeting with my partner, and we were focused more on how to strategize data collection, which is becoming more of a challenge than we thought. And so we had been pricing at a certain price, like okay, if you insert this amount of data, we're going to give you this amount, we're going to give you this amount. So yesterday we said, okay, let's do it ourselves. Let's try to do it ourselves. And then we saw the work that was involved in it. My partner sent me a message this morning, was like, you know what, it's really challenging because we're like, okay, put in like 100 data entries per day and give you this amount. And she tried doing it herself and she was like, this is so much. So let's see how we can pay people, maybe pay them more and get more people on board, because we are targeting December by end of year, and we have a certain target of data entries that we want to have. So we are looking for various ways to strategize having that data in place. So yeah, so that was mostly the meeting that we had yesterday. That was like the main thing we're talking about, and we will have a phone call today again to talk about like, okay, maybe we'll try this, maybe we'll try this, maybe we'll try these various options just to see, so that we get the data we need. Because like I said yesterday, that's one of like the major components of our application. So yeah, so we're seeing how that works out. Yesterday the lady, she's actually coming on as like an intern. So she started working yesterday, and we had some back and forth. At one point in time we had to send her the meeting link. She joined us in the meeting, and it was still based around talking about data collection, data entry and stuff. So let's see how it goes. What just keeps coming to my mind is like, once this door closed, knock on this other door. Once this door closed, knock on another door. Giving up is not an option. So yeah, I guess these are just one of the roadblocks you meet along the road of a startup or any project you want to go on. So yeah. Another thing which we talked about yesterday was the importance of putting managing the project the right way, because so far, since it had just been two of us on board, we just have our phone calls and WhatsApp messages, and that was just it. So now we started thinking, okay, do we use Google Docs, do we use this, do we use this, do we use this, how are we going to put the various tasks that, okay, this person has to do this task, do this task, deadlines and all that, so that things are done and we are seeing the progress happening. So that's another thing we talked about, which is really important, and it's in line with what one of the classes I had on Friday, which is a lecture on, it was a lecture on project management. So it was just an introductory lecture, but one of the things they said they'll be teaching us is the agile methods, Scrum, and all of those kind of things. So I'm really excited to learn those things so I can be implementing it in the startup as I go along. So yeah, that's one thing too. Yeah, another thing which I was exploring is trying to use AI, trying to get a model, training the model to do this data entry thing. But I'm exploring that and seeing how that goes. So, well, that's an update from my end. Thumbs up to this video if you enjoy my content. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button if you want to keep following me on this journey. Bye, guys.